No, I am a model.
Is it just me, or have these kinds of videos recently become universally appealing? In today's video, I'll share with you how to make this type of animated viral video. I will tell you all the tools that can be utilized and how to use them. Firstly, I will use the Harry Potter Balenciaga video as our guide. We initially used two AI tools to generate the needed images, ChatGPT and Midjourney. I will share the prompts I use in the description area, so you can easily copy and paste them. First, visit ChatGPT and open a new chat. Input: give me the 15 most popular Harry Potter characters, just the names. Then choose your favorite 10 characters. Once the AI has generated the list, continue to input a new prompt. Now, as a professional Balenciaga designer with 30 years of experience, I hope you dress each of these characters in a unique Balenciaga work for a 1990s fashion show. Just write the name of the character and the work. Here's an example of the prompts I used to generate images. Modify all 8 prompts using this format. This next tip is critical because it instructs the AI to generate 8 prompts for you in Midjourney. Once completed, we will go to Discord and use Midjourney. In Discord login, go to the Midjourney channel and start entering prompts one by one, typing /imagine before inserting each prompt. Then you can select the images you like and upgrade them if necessary. Once you have completed all the images, save the ones you like. Next, let's move on to a crucial step, generating the animation part. Here, we enter HeyGen. After registration, you can get a 1-minute free credit to make videos. Using Talking Photo, I uploaded the prepared images of Harry Potter, Dobby, and Severus. Next, I animated all the characters in my video, both those speaking and those staying silent. Then I went to Text Script and clicked the clock icon, each representing a pause of 0.5 seconds. After ensuring the total rest time is 3 seconds, I hit Submit. For the audio, you can choose from the audio provided in the HeyGen voice library. If you don't find them engaging enough, you can search for some clips of the character, record or download audio, and then upload them to HeyGen. You can have the original audio effect, or you can upload audio clips using HeyGen's voice clone, train a voice, and then customize what you need the character to say.
Finally, let's look at the end result.
That's it. If you have better suggestions or other similar viral videos you hope we can provide tutorials for, you can discuss them directly in the comments.